Hello children, I hope you all are fine. I'm back with another video. Today we will be learning about pronouns. So let's start. A pronoun is a word used in place of a noun. Okay, a pronoun is a word which we use in place of a noun to avoid repetition. Okay, it doesn't look good or it makes the sentence complicated when we repeat nouns. Alright, let's see some examples. Number 1, you see, Rahul called me because Rahul had something to discuss. Alright, so here Rahul called me. Again, we don't need to use Rahul. We can use the pronoun he. Alright, Rahul called me because he had something to discuss. It makes the sentence more, easy. Okay. Next, the dog was barking for the dog was hungry. So, the dog, no need to write the dog again. Alright, in the next sentence we can write the dog was barking because it was hungry. So here he, it are pronouns. Alright, so for girls or for girls we use the pronoun she. For boys we use the pronoun he. For non-living things, alright, we use the pronoun it. Okay. Now let's see the types of pronoun. The first type of pronoun is personal pronoun. Personal pronouns are pronouns that we use in place of names of people, places or things. Alright. Now here you see in a sentence there is always a subject. Subject you already know about whom or what we talk in a sentence. Okay, that is a subject. And object to. Alright, for example, you see subjective case, pronouns used as subjects of sentences. Okay, like she is a girl. She is used here as the subject of the sentence. Alright, like for example, if I say Ritu is a girl. So instead of Ritu, I have used here she is a girl. Okay, and for objective case, pronouns used as objects are like, for example, my father gifted me a bicycle. Here me is a pronoun, personal pronoun. Alright, and it is used as object of the sentence. Alright, so these are personal pronouns. It is also important to know the pronouns of 3 persons. Okay, first person are I, we, me, us, mine, ours. These are called pronouns of first person. Okay, and the pronouns of second persons are you and yours. Alright, and pronouns of third persons are he, she, him, her, they, them, their, it. Alright, I hope these are clear to you. Alright, now second one is possessive pronoun. Possessive pronouns are those pronouns that indicate possessions or ownership. It shows us ownership, whose. In adjectives also you have done this. Yes or no? Possessive adjective. Okay. Now, only difference is that in possessive adjective, the adjectives are my, our, his, her. There will be no s at the end. But here you see in possessive pronouns, there will be s in most of the words. Like yours, ours, hers, its, theirs. Alright. And mine, instead of my, we will use mine. Okay, and his is same for both. In possessive adjectives also we use his. In possessive pronoun also we use his. Okay, rest the difference is that we add s. Alright, I will discuss about it again later in my video. Okay. Third is, for example, you see, this pencil is mine. this pencil is mine. Alright. Second, he owns that house. It is his. It is showing us ownership. Whose? Okay. Reflexive pronouns. Reflexive pronouns are used when a person or thing acts by itself. Okay. They end in self or selves. When the subject is singular in number, we will use self. And when the subject is plural in number, we will use selves. Okay, like I did the work myself. Alright, here example you see, they did the work themselves, because here they is their plural. That's why I've written themselves. The old man often talks to himself. Alright, so these are reflexive pronouns. Next is interrogative pronouns. Interrogative pronouns, the word interrogative means, you have done in sentences, right? Interrogative means questions. So interrogative pronouns are pronouns that introduce questions, that ask questions. Alright, what are they doing there? What is your name? Alright, and questions can be asked with other WH words also, like how, when, where. Alright. And then next is demonstrative pronouns. Demonstrative pronouns are those pronouns which point out to nouns. This also you have got demonstrative in adjectives also, if you remember. Yes, demonstrative adjectives. Alright, these are similar but having differences. Okay, some differences are there that I will be discussing later in my video. Okay, so demonstrative pronouns are those pronouns which point out to nouns, like this girl, that boy, these pencils, okay, those apples. Alright, so these are demonstrative pronouns. For example, this cat is naughty, those mangoes are sweet. Here, this is demonstrative and those is demonstrative. Okay, alright. Now, you will read this table very properly. Okay, I have given here, see, if the subject is I, then the object will be me. And the possessive case means possessive pronoun will be mine. If the subject is you, then the object will also be you. And possessive pronoun will be yours. If the subject is he, then object will be him. And possessive will be his. If the subject is she, then the object is her and the possessive pronoun will be hers. If the subject is it, the object will be it only and the possessive pronoun will be its. If the subject is we, then the object will be us and the possessive pronoun will be ours. If the subject is they, possessive object will be them and possessive pronoun will be theirs. You will read this very carefully, okay, and try to remember. Now, we will know about the difference between possessive pronouns and possessive adjectives and demonstrative pronouns and demonstrative adjectives. Okay, because you may get confused between this, because in adjective also possessive is there, a kind, okay, and in demonstrative pronoun also it is there, okay, in adjective also demonstrative is there, in pronoun also it is there. Okay, so to clear your confusion, here I am. What's the difference you see? In possessive adjective and possessive pronoun, first of all, you will always remember an adjective is always followed by a noun. Okay, there will be always a noun after an adjective. Okay, especially in case of possessive adjective, possessive, demonstrative and interrogative. Okay, after all this, there will be always a noun. Alright, in adjectives. But in pronoun, after all these words, there will be no noun. Okay, for example, you see here, my. This is my book. Okay, after my, You see book is there. Alright, but mine in possessive pronouns, this book is mine. After mine, there is no noun. Okay, your. Is this your umbrella? After your, you see there is a noun. Whereas after yours, is this yours? No noun is there. Okay, he lent me his jacket. After his jacket, a noun is there. But there in possessive pronoun, this isn't my jacket, it's his. After his, there is no noun. Okay, so whenever you will see after these possessive words, there will be no noun, means it's a pronoun. Okay, moreover, you know in pronouns, in possessive pronouns, ours, his, hers, s will be added. Whereas in adjective, you will find no s is added. Okay, and an adjective is always followed by a noun. Alright, so here are the examples given to clear your doubts. You will read these examples, you will find out how this possessive adjective and possessive pronouns differ. Okay, same with demonstrative pronoun and demonstrative adjectives. Okay, after demonstrative pronoun, you will see there will be no noun. But after demonstrative adjectives, there will always be a noun. Okay, you see the example. I will not read out this. I'll directly go to the example. That smells. That smells. Smells is a verb, not a noun. So you see, after that, there is no noun. Means it's a pronoun. It's demonstrative pronoun. But whereas that book is good, after that book is given a noun, means it's an adjective. Alright, two more examples are given. This is John speaking. Is that Mary? This is John. After this there is no noun, means it's a pronoun. Is that Mary? But after next sentence, you see, is that Mary? After that, there is a noun, means it's an adjective. Next one, you see, that sounds like James. Okay, that sounds like James. After that, there is no noun. Okay, sounds is a verb. So after that, there is no noun. That's why it will also be a pronoun. Alright, very simple to remember. Just remember, after possessive, demonstrative and interrogative adjectives, okay, there will be a noun always. Whereas after pronoun, there is no noun. Okay, that's it. I hope you have understood all this. Book 3, page number 15. You will see the first exercise. Complete these using personal pronouns. Okay, you will have to fill in the blanks with personal pronouns. In page number 16, use interrogative pronouns to complete the following. Okay, you will fill in the blanks with interrogative pronouns only. And in book 4, page number 7, question number A, choose the correct possessive pronouns. You know possessive pronouns which shows ownership or belongingness. Okay, you will fill in the blanks with possessive pronouns only. And question number B, fill in the blanks with correct possessive adjectives or possessive pronouns. In the bracket, options are given. You will see where possessive adjective should be used, you will use possessive adjective. Where pronoun is to be used, you will use pronouns. Okay, and I have already discussed about this. Okay, after possessive adjectives, there will always be a noun. Whereas after possessive pronoun, there will be no noun. I hope you will be able to do the exercises in the book. And along with this, I have given one assignment. Okay, you will be able to solve the exercises there. Okay, just go through the video and then try to solve. Thank you.